Welcome to Feathers of Wisdom. Today we uncover the story of one of the most fearsome and underrated aircraft of World War II, the Henschel Hs 129, the Luftwaffe's dedicated ground attack aircraft and a true flying tank killer. Born out of the brutal necessity of war, the H-129 was designed with one purpose: to destroy enemy armor. Heavily armored itself, and equipped with some of the most powerful anti-tank weapons of the time, this twin-engine aircraft earned its reputation on the Eastern Front, where swarms of Soviet tanks needed to be stopped at all costs. At first glance, the HS-129 may not look as elegant as a fighter plane, but don't let its boxy shape fool you. Beneath its rugged design lay layers of steel plating, reinforced cockpits, and forward-facing cannons that turned it into a flying battering ram. Its compact, narrow cockpit gave pilots little room to move, but offered solid protection from ground fire. Its early versions were underpowered and struggled with maneuverability. However, as the war progressed, it evolved. The B-2 variant became the most common, fitted with a 30mm Mk-103 cannon and two MG-151 machine guns. But it was the B-3 variant, armed with the monstrous 75mm Bordkanon BK-7.5, that truly terrified Soviet tank crews. This flying cannon could pierce the armor of the legendary T-34 and even pose a threat to heavier tanks like the KV-1. Flying low and fast, the HS-129 swooped down on enemy columns, delivering devastating blows before vanishing into the sky. But the aircraft was not without flaws. It was notoriously difficult to fly, lacked engine power, and suffered from poor visibility due to the cramped cockpit. Maintenance in frontline conditions was also a nightmare. Yet, in the hands of skilled pilots, it was a surgical instrument of destruction, especially in battles like Kursk and Operation Citadel. The Henschel Hs 129 was Germany's answer to the Soviet Ilyushin Il-2 Sturmovik, and though it was never produced in massive numbers, it left a significant mark on the war's armored battlefield. From its thick armor plating to its enormous firepower, the Hs 129 was a war machine built for a brutal job, and it did that job with ruthless efficiency. Stay tuned with Feathers of Wisdom as we continue to bring history's most extraordinary warbirds back to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into aviation legends.